In this video, I'm going to show you how to find movies on your YouTube TV free trial. If you're looking to stream movies during your trial period, this guide will help you discover what's available. Let's get started. To find movies on YouTube TV, start by signing up for your free trial at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app or access it via the website. Browse the channel lineup for networks that frequently air movies, such as FX, TBS, USA Network, or FREEFORM. Many of these channels have dedicated movie slots during specific times of the day. Additionally, check out premium add-ons like Showtime or HBO Max, if included in your trial, for a wider selection of blockbuster films. Use the Cloud DVR feature to record movies and watch them later at your convenience. If this video helped you learn how to find movies on your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.